next week for 21C early in one hour tutorial. 21D maybe okay. 21C 1 hour on Tuesday morning tutorial. Later I will touch in terms of some tutorial. And then 21D on Tuesday also. Okay, morning. Okay. So can you see my slide? Okay, good. I can see here. Okay. So hopefully all the students can focus. Guys, this is important topics in quality. One of the method that we will use to solve in terms of our problem. Okay. I already recall back, guys. Okay. When we do some improvement, we will use some tools. Okay. So the quality tools that we will apply, okay, in want to make sure we want to improve in terms of the process, okay, and then we want to double check how the quality improvements can be applied here. Okay. I already share the first of my SPC slide in our WhatsApp group. Later I will share this second slide in terms of the statistical process control. Okay, control chart that we will apply, guys. Okay, my question is it the process stable or not? Okay, you go through in terms of the process. Okay, you need to put in your mind. Okay, based on the process, your questions that you need to ask is you need to determine that is it the process of the production or the movement in terms of the items of part stable or not. Okay. Why we ask this kind of question, guys? We want to determine the stability of the measurement based on the product. Okay. So when we ask this kind of question, okay, the process will be at the right of the slides that I showed to all of you guys. Okay, we need to know, we need to define the process. What kind of process that they already do? They already implement. Okay, based on the productions. Okay, and then number two, you need to select the measurements that we will apply on the products. Okay, what kind of measurements that we can apply based on the process. Okay. Next one, okay, we want to know is stable or not. We will collect a data, guys. Okay, we need to know the data, how many reject, how many maybe proceeds, okay, any others variables, okay, affected in terms of the process and so on. Okay, so if the process stable, okay, you can move in terms of the use in terms of statistical process control to maintain the process. Okay. If not, you need to move again, collect back in terms of the data, double check, and then improve of the process capability. Okay. That is how we do in terms of SPC, guys. Okay. Right. Okay. Like I mentioned before, when we do in terms of SPC, we have a lot of different, guys. Okay, SPC will identify the difference based on the parameter, based on maybe the time, maybe on the variable, maybe on the factors, and so on. Okay, so based on that, the type of variables, the common causes that we can see based on the process. Okay, there's a lot, huh? Okay, so what is the common causes? The causes that are inherent, okay, in the process over the time. We are measuring based on the process. We will calculate in terms of the time, and then we will measure in terms of the effect, okay, and outcomes of the process. You see in terms of the run chart, the right of your slides here, guys, you can see here, if we want to measure in terms of the quality characteristics, okay, compared to the time, you can see here, guys, based on there are different quality characteristic compared to the time that we measure. Okay, sometimes very high, sometimes decrease, increase again, then decrease. There is uncertainty based on this quality characteristics compared to the time that we measure. So based on that, okay, we will create in terms of some, you can see we can identify based on, there is some fluctuation based on the process. There is our summary based on the run chart. Okay. Then a lot of them, okay, we can see here different pattern. Okay. Based on the sum, okay, we can see in terms of the effects and we can expect in terms of the variability. What is variability? Sometimes we have a different in terms of the outcome based on the point that we measure. Okay. Then can we predict, guys, based on this, guys? Yes, sometimes increase, sometimes decrease. So after this kind of what I call point that we can measure here, guys, we already know after this they will decrease. No any increment after this. Okay, so there is some common causes that can be captured based on the process here. Okay. Other than that, okay, there is a variation, meaning that there is a difference based on our capture in terms of the time and the characteristic, quality characteristic. Some other variations, we have special causes, guys. Sometimes, okay, the causes that are not present in the process all the time arise because some or specific circumstances. Okay, we have certain other factors that may be may be affected in terms of our quality characteristics based on the time. Okay, you can see here there is not always present in the process. Okay, it can be create large process disturbance. Okay, there is some substance shift. Okay, relatively few in number. Okay, based on the pool, the process beyond the expected, and then we cannot predict what happened later. Yes, decrease, and then maybe some increment, decrease again, and then more decrease. Okay, so it's not expected based on the variation here. Okay, so based on that, okay, the control chart, what is their function? It will help identify the presence of special causes here. Okay, this is a control chart concept. Sometimes we can predict, sometimes we cannot measure it, we cannot predict it. Okay, unpredictable we call it here. Okay, based on the second variation here, based on what I'm showing to all of you. Okay, all right. So I repeat again. I think I will already touch in the beginning of my slides when we talk about SPC, okay, statistical process control. We have, guys, center line. We have lower control limit, LTL, and then we have the upper control limit, UCL. Guys, I will repeat it, ask you in terms of all this origin and point based on the center line, lower control limit, and upper control limit. Okay, when we talk about SPC, this is our benchmark, how we want to measure. Because why? We want to identify between the lower control limit and upper control limit. That is our baseline that we can accept in terms of the point here. Okay, so here, guys, we have a lot of points based on timing that I already mentioned to all of you before. Okay, the control limits are based on the data collected from the process. I already mentioned to all of you guys, if I want to know in terms of your improvement or in terms of your performance, I will measure you 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30 in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30 in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:30, 11, 11:30, 12, until tomorrow, for example. So we have the origins that the point that we identify based on the time that we identify. Okay. I repeat again, maybe I already recall before, guys. What is CL? CL is a line that average of the data or target of the process. That is CL. Okay, that is CL. Okay, where is CL? Abdul Rahman, here, guys, CL, here. Sir, is it good on the CL or below the CL? We didn't measure into that kind of situation. We compare based on the area between UCL and SCL here. Okay, so what is UCL? A line at the upper limit of the expected variable. Okay, the maximum limit, guys, that is UCL. Okay, beyond that, there is not in our territory. So something's wrong somewhere. Okay, right? And then lower control limit, LCL, there is a line at the lower limit of expected variability. Okay, the line upper, UCL, the lower line, lower control limit, we call it as a LCL. Okay, so guys, don't worry, we have a difference between all the origin and all the point here. Okay, the important things here we want to know in terms of the pattern. Okay, and then we want to know when the pattern increase, when the pattern decrease. Okay, and then not beyond or too lower. Okay, outside in terms of our boundary. Okay, right. Any question until now? Yeah, no any. Right. We have 63 of the students. Okay, I just want to repeat again. Okay, I didn't call one by one. For those who just coming, please put your name here. Guys, to know you are clear or not, I will give some question after this, and then you just submit in the link. Okay, all right. Yeah, I move. Okay, to next. Okay, we have a rule. Okay, rules for separating a common and special process. Guys, why we have all these points? We want to know in terms of the pattern, guys. Okay, so we want to know if we are measuring in terms of the working time, we want to know what happened. Okay, based on the time. Okay, every of the point we want to know. Okay, so two commonly used signal for the special process. Number one, okay, any point, this is rule number one, any point above the upper control limit or below the control limit, okay, that is rule number one. That is special process. Okay, if something happen, guys, beyond this, okay, for example, can I set one line here to make sure you are clear, maybe, right? Okay, based on here, after this, okay, 3, or here, for example, let's put maybe red color, for example, to make it easy. Okay, okay, where is the color here? Okay, for example. So, this is the thing that we need to study, guys. What happened? Who in charge? Who is the engineer? Who is the technician? Make it our production like this, for example. Okay, so there is rule number one. Okay, rule number two, right? The 8 points in a row on the same side of the center line. Okay, if we have the point in the center line, you calculate how many? So it will be, we can mention it as what you mentioned is not out of the boundaries. We are similar in terms of the pattern. Okay, we are similar in terms of the pattern here. Right. Okay. Any question until now? Maybe I want to later. I give one question later. Okay, the note here. Okay, maybe there is some others. Okay, rules later we can go through. Okay, if there's some other maybe difference. Okay, in terms of our pattern. Okay. All right. So I give some more example here. Okay, right to make it more clear. Can you give some focus in terms of these guys? Okay, we can see here we are based on the point. Okay, so we want to know the process is stable or not. Okay, we go to our production. Okay, this is order of production. Order of production. Right, I already mentioned there is the target. Okay, then here we want to measure in terms of the data. You can see here what is the pattern here. Sometimes increase, sometimes decrease, and so on. Okay, right. So here, what we can mention here, we want to go through in terms of the variation, the difference, okay, based on the order. You can see here where is the highest order here. You can see here, guys, at the end, okay, maybe at the end of our production, okay, order of production, okay, and then how, okay, we can go through here. There is a like maybe similar pattern here in the beginning, okay, and the end it are more increase here. Okay, right? So based on here, do we not need to calculate in terms of the control chart limits? Okay, no need here. Because why? We already have the some what I call increasing in terms of the success values and so on here. Okay, so that is how we want to go through. Right? Okay, until now, any questions, guys? So how I will measure in terms of the SPC, I will gauge on in terms of the data, and then you will create in terms of your SPC game. We will go through in terms of the example. Okay, any question until now, guys? No, everything okay? Okay, next one, we want to know in terms of the process stable or not. Okay, process stable or not. Okay, how we know process stable? Okay, I make it bigger here, guys. Okay, stable process. Okay, how we know it is a stable process? A process in which the key measures of the output from the process show no any signs of special process. It repeat similar, okay, similar pattern, no any because two different in terms of the pattern and so on. And then the variation is a result of common causes only. Okay, so maybe there is a we call stable in terms of similar in terms of the increase and the decrease. Okay, unstable. When it will be unstable, a process in which the key measures of the output from the process show there is different signs of, or we call it special causes. Okay, special effects, some addition, okay, to the common causes. Okay, the variation is a result of both common and special causes. So we can mention it as a unstable. Okay, can I give an example? The process may be unstable, guys. Okay, Okay, process table. Okay, I'll show you the process table. Okay, can you see my slide here? Okay, process table, you can see here. Okay, based on the between UCL and DCL, okay, all the points, okay, or predictions in or between UCL and LCL. Okay, the common causes alone area are at the work. Okay, they are similar. Maybe they behave in a random manner. No any cycles. Okay, no any runs. No any trend. No shift. Okay, and no defined pattern. Okay, so this is what we call stable process. Okay, based on SEC. Right? Right? So what is the difference between if we want to compare to unstable? Okay, if unstable, okay, okay, this is a control chart that we can mention it's unstable. I'll make it bigger here, right? Okay, some outside in terms of our UCL, okay, right? How many point? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the maximum and outside our upper control line. Okay, and then we can see here, okay, based on that, okay, the point outside the control limits, you can see here, guys, that is unstable. And then you can see in terms of the shift, the cycle difference, okay, how it's run, all right, and the trend shift. Okay, there is under unstable process. Okay, unstable process. Right. Okay, I want to give you one. No need to immediately sending it. Okay, you send it based on your answer. Okay, take some time. Okay, we want to go through in terms of this question, guys. Okay, before we stop. Okay, I will continue on Tuesday. Okay, morning with Rahman class, then continue with Haika class. All right, guys. I have two examples here. Okay, I have two examples of the control chart. Circle any signal of special causes that you find in this control chart. Okay. So how to do? Okay, you will share in my Google form. Okay. And then, okay, submit in the link. Okay. How to know? I share it in our WhatsApp group, guys. Don't worry. Okay. WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, I already sent 21C, all right? 21D, all right? Okay, 21D. Okay, don't take too long today, guys. Settle this first, and then maybe Tuesday we will continue again. I will touch into which circle, okay, are special causes based on this chart. Okay, any question, guys, until now? No, because I want to share it in my YouTube and in our group. Okay, so recording until here. Okay, you will continue again. We'll see on this Tuesday. for both group. Okay? I will share now this file in our WhatsApp group. Okay? Enjoy your live. Okay? See you on Tuesday, guys. Okay? I will share the link in our group. All right. Sorry, I didn't ask too many questions because why? We have a recording, and for those who are not coming, they are following us based on this recording. Thank you. Maybe too linear and too straight. Okay. Sorry, because this is recording for grammar. Assalamualaikum and thank you.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, saya. Sekejap, saya stop dulu the recording. Sekejap,
sure.
Okay. Wait. Okay, tadi terlalu sebab recording. Okay, kepada kumpulan Abdul Rahman, Abdul Rahman kumpulan mana? 21C. Boleh tunggu sekejap, kita nak bincang tentang assignment. Okay, siapa yang ada masa? Okay, kumpulan Abdul Rahman kot. We want to go through in term of we have some discussion on our assignment and individual group. Okay, tunggu sekejap Tak lama lah, sekejap je kita bincang. Okay. Yang lain boleh tinggalkan kita dulu. Alright. Okay, saya bagi kita bincang balik dalam 3.40. Saya bagi 3 minit. Yang lain keluar dulu. Yang kekal hanyalah kumpulan Abdul Rahman iaitu 21C. Okay. Okay, jadi 3 minit kita mula balik untuk 21C. Mana ada, Man?
Ada, Doctor.
Okay. Kita bincang assignment sekejap. Alright. Man tengok sekejap mana siapa lagi yang belum keluar. Okay, grup lain. Okay. Boleh kot. Semua dah ada ni. Ada tak yang bukan 21C? Erin, 21? Erin Bawah Tarini Lok Hui. Mah Jian Jun. Mah, you are 21D, right? Mah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sekejap, Mah. Saya bincang 21C sekejap. Okay, thank you, Mah. Alright. Saya bagi yang lain keluar dulu. Alright. Okay, boleh kita bincang sikit guys? Boleh? Clear eh? Semua 21 C eh? Okay, Man, bagi cadangan Man. Apa cerita?
Doktor untuk submit
You nak
assignment.
saya tunjukkan contoh ataupun dah submit ataupun bagaimana? Okay, sebab saya dah 21 C saya dah tunjuk apa yang betul, apa yang tak betul. Individu dan group assignment. Adakah nak saya buat yang serupa begitu juga?
Boleh, tapi saya nak tahu bila sepatutnya kami submit assignment tu.
Okey, baik. Tak tahu masuk Man apa? Man,
Maksudnya kena submit
takkanlah saya nak
19
bagi
ke apa?
minggu ke 15, 16 sebab saya nak kena bagi markah. Kan? Tak boleh lah kata tak tahu. Maksudnya begini. Okey, setakat mana dah ada buat? Bila nak submit? Saya bagi ruang lah ni.
Untuk individual dah okey. Untuk group assignment tu kami tak faham sama memang kena buat dalam SPSS ke macam mana?
Siapa kata SPSS Man? Saya tak beri SPSS pun. Tu jauh sangat tu. Saya tak suruh SPSS pun.
Oh, okey.
Jangan terlebih-lebih Man. Man, kita nak go through company, apa masalah dia dalam quality. Jawab yang tu saja. Okay. Kemudian apa tools you pakai, berdasarkan apa yang kita guna, SPC ke, you nak pakai histogram ke, you pakai tools dan quality. Itu saja. Okay. Ada soalan? Tak faham juga?
Tak faham juga saya.
Okay, tak faham. So, Man,
Betul.
you boleh present yang you dah buat? Saya nak tengok apa yang you buat. Yang kita duk bincang. Kita dah go through by group, apa yang dah buat. Ada tak kat sini? Tak ada? Tak ada siapa hantar lagi? Tak boleh lah kata saya tak tahu apa-apa. Kita bagi ruang untuk tanya dalam kelas kan. Saya tengok apa yang you buat. Boleh tak share? Ataupun tak ada apa-apa lagi yang buat? Memang tak ada tarikh lah nak hantar.
Tak ada apa-apa nak buat lagi.
Tak ada apa-apa? Kenapa begitu Man? Sorry tanya Man, bukan saya marah. Saya tanya. Kenapa begitu?
Sebab kami baru settlekan business plan kan. So kita orang baru nak start untuk nak buat benda tu balik. Group assignment yang lain.
Okey. Yang lain? Sama juga? Ya. Boleh. Kalau tak saya nak tunjuk contoh yang grup lain. Ni macam tak seimbang dengan grup lain. Okey, silakan. Erin boleh share ke? Saya stop saya punya sharing. Kalau tak tahu, datang jumpa lah kan. Tak tahu juga pasal apa. Kenapa tak jumpa? Itulah heran juga. Tak apa. Saya cuba solve problem. Dia tak boleh tunggu dah lihat. Tunggu buat assignment lain dulu kan. Tapi tak apa. Saya cuba solve problem. Alright, silakan. You nak present ke? Ataupun bagaimana? Siapa kawan kita tadi? Okay, good. Erin, thank you Erin. Sangat membantu. Jangan ambil hati saya cakap Saya just nak bagi siap je. Alright. Mungkin cakap tu terkuat ke apa, minta maaf semua. Tak ada saya share yang grup 21D punya.